Now we are going to see surface finish toolpath. In that there is a surface finish project toolpath. So up to here we have seen surface finish rough project toolpath we have already seen. The same toolpath we are going to run the finishing. Okay. So I just simulate and show you how we have done this up to roughing toolpath. First we are doing roughing and we are doing next surface finish parallel. Then a rough projection toolpath we are machining it now. Okay. So this is the roughing done on the component. Now we are going to make the finishing toolpath. So now I will select toolpath, surface, so toolpath, surface, finish project. This is a surface, and okay. So now we are going to project NCA file. Now we will keep how much previously roughing we have kept. Just we will check it. Roughing we have kept stock about 0.25. Okay. Now we will increase little O1 surface finish project. This is surface. Okay. Okay. And we'll select the tool, and here we will make it minus 0.26 or 27, whatever it is. Otherwise you can keep it at minus 0.026. Okay, so 0.01 material we are removing. Here we are going to select this same NCA file. So already we have made a 2D engrave file. That file you can select it. Suppose still you need very good surface finish, then you can do one thing. You can copy the previous engrave to means operation, copy paste, and refine the step over. Just refine the step over. This NCA only we are going to project. So just we can step over percentage. You can reduce it. So we will make it 20% instead of 80%. We keep it as a 20%. So now after this NCA, if you project, you will get very good surface finish. That's the idea. Okay, remaining thing I am not changing anything. I just regenerate here. Now this copied operation, no, this one I am going to use for the projecting and the surface finish project toolpath. Okay. This is surface, and okay. So now stock minus 0.026 minus, the stock should be minus stock. So because in engrave you need to penetrate inside the component, so minus stock you need to give. Now I will select my NCA file. Yes, this is my NCA file. Accept. If you want, you can make a follow surface or smooth. Okay, I made it follow surface and optimize cut order as such on. Okay, horizontal. Now it will project the new engrave toolpath on the surface. Only this, if you want to check, it's little difficult. We can check it how the toolpath is look like. We can see this in the view, and wireframe, if you see, you can see how it is look like. I think it is crossing the toolpath is crossing in between the letters. So how to remove this? So when we go to cap setting, and now we'll reduce this. We will increase a little in the cap setting. Okay. Okay. Now we can see that that is removed. Okay. Now it has made very good. If you want intermediate stock, you can make it so that we can check the final finishing. So I just move the arrow above. Toolpath stock setup. We'll take the initial stock. We'll make the stock setup. We don't have model actually, so we'll say stock setup. Means previous stock setup as initial stock, and the new stock name is after rough. So what are the operation need to include? Parallel, finish parallel. We don't need this engrave. Surface rough project. Last engrave also we don't want. Okay, these are the operations, and with this we are making the intermediate stock model. So this intermediate model we are going to use it for the checking the final how the tool path is look like. You can speed up the calculation by in the multi-threading, right click and make it high. Okay, it's happened, but I think something shading is the we can modify it. Now the both the models are there, our solid model and also the uh, uh, stock model, both are there. That's why that's the confusion. We will do. We can hide the stock model, or otherwise we are going to use the stock model for only checking. So we no need to worry. So we can go and select the stock model for the verification. Now select the last file, and you can say you can go and simulate. So now we can see this is your our after rough model is visible. So after roughing it is visible to you now. Now we'll run it. Something material is not removed here. It means that previous when roughing itself, it has removed. I think so. So if you want, you can increase little more the depth of cutting. So minus 2728, we can keep it, no problem. Okay, and regenerate. Uh, it is already told you can project any shape or symbol or product name, company logo, all the things you can project on the 3D surface. It's showing some error, I don't know why. Okay, I am closing it. Please select at least one option. I am already selected, but I don't know. Okay, let us try again. No, it's not happening. Okay, close this. Okay, I'm reselecting. Okay, I think we need to select. Okay, we need to select both the things, project and this thing. I think so. I selected both. Something. Oh, sorry, I have not given the projection on the minus. Okay, I'll modify it. So now I given 0. Minus 2 minus 0.28. So now it's generating. Okay, now we'll check it. I have given stock to leave as a 20. So that's the reason it was not showing. A little amount of material is it leaves there. Maybe it was previously it was cut. I don't know. Okay. So this is all about the surface finish project toolpath. So we can do one more example also by projecting curve. So we can select. We'll open another file. Here also we can do on engraving by using a curve option. So for last class we used the NCA file for projecting. Now I think we have made a roughing and finishing together, but I don't know. It was not saved. I think so. So now we'll add a surface finish radial. Select this surface and boundary. I'll select the tool. Stop to leave 0. Here I'll make it. I will make it let it less. Okay. Here 0. I'll select the tool now. Tool is not there. 16 ball I am selecting. Parameter remaining thing let it be. Okay. Gap setting. Follow surface. Optimize cut order. Okay. Now doing the surface finish. Now it's calculating. Uh, Over this, we'll project one curve. In the level, there is one more picture. That 2D picture is there. I just switch it on. Just to suppress the toolpath, then we can able to see this. So this I am going to project over the uh, this curve on the model. Okay. So this is actually a 2D image. Sorry, 2D wireframe model. This I am going to project. Okay. Toolpath, surface, finish, project. Surface I selected. So curve. I'll say window selection. Okay. Sketch approximate start point. I will select. Okay. 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 I think selection is over. I think so. We'll make one new tool, engrave tool. Okay. Finish. So now we can give the minus stop here, negative stop, minus 0.2. Okay, here we'll say curve, retract between curves. Remaining thing I am not selecting. Error. There is, it shows error. I think the window selection is not allowed me to select. So I can think of going individual chain for making the projection. Okay, something went wrong. We need to check it. Okay, we can select otherwise individual curve. So I will select both North, South, and North America for only engraving this particular chain. Okay, and zoom it and close the chain. Okay, so only the portion of this image I am selecting. If I start to select the individual chain, it takes a lot of time. So that's the reason I selected only the small portion of the image. Okay. But I don't know. I need to check whether why it is not allowing me to select the Windows chain. Uh, okay, we'll check and simulate and check how this engraving is happening. That we will check it by simulation. Okay. Okay. So now you can see that it has made the tool path. If you want this width and the depth is less, then you can increase the tool diameter and the tool angle so that it will be very good visible. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We have taken now smaller dia and smaller angular tool 15 degree. So I'll just modify this tool. I'll edit it. So let me change the diameter instead of 6 to 10, and angle will make it to 30 degree. Okay, okay, and regenerate. So after regeneration, you can verify and see how the tool path is look like. The level I will suppress so that after machining you can see the profile which is machined on the surface or engraved on the surface. Okay. Maybe in this version there is a small change here. The selection it is window selection it is not accepting, that I need to check. I'll update you. We run it fast forward. Let us see. Okay, you can zoom it and see how it is look like. It has made it now. So this is the uh, uh, radial, sorry, project finish toolpath. Okay, this is a surface finish project toolpath. So you can make a 2D NC file and also project on the surface, or otherwise you can directly project the curve on the surface. Okay, thank you.